Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the Delta MicroMake 3D printer 200mm diameter heated bed and power supply upgrade kit. So I bought a MicroMake D1 Delta 3D printer, and yeah, I'm a really big fan of ABS printing, and a heated bed is such a big improvement, I think. So I ordered this one. So as the name suggests, it comes with a new power supply as well. So let's unbox this. A lot of packaging. So this is the PSU. Should be a little bit more amps than the stock one. 16.8 amps. That's quite good. Then the connector. That's actually the wrong one, but I have plenty of those. Then we have a new board, cover board for the what's it called? The computer board. Well, since there's another plug there, cables, connectors, and the board itself. Ooh, it's pretty light. Just don't kill the cables down there. And there it is. Make board. Okay, so it runs both 12 and 24 volts. Has a sensor. At least it looks like that. Pretty short wires, but I think since it's with my F3, the bed is moving, so it needs longer wires. Pretty cool. And there it says MicroMake. Nice. Little scratches here. Nothing severe. Cool. Has a nice look to it. I like it. Let's look at the traces. Okay, it's not like it's heating more on the corners, since we get a temperature drop off. But I think for that price it's okay. Pretty cool. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.